of anticipation and enthusiasm to commemorate together. Let us reveal in the joy, passion and camaraderie that defines our annual presentation. On this note, I would like to give my heartiest welcome to MD Sir, Principal Nam, Vice Principal Nam, teachers and my dear friends. On the behalf of my class 10th G, I just know it is pleasurable to extend a cheerful welcome to the annual function of our class.
A day without prayer is a day without blessings, and a life without prayer is a life without power. It's true that a prayer that comes from the heart can move mountains. It increases your faith and brings you closer to God. So let's start our annual function with the presence of God.
Spice up our day. Words like fire which keep us smiling and encouraging throughout the day. So to inspire us, here comes Justiret Kaur for the thought of the day.
Thought of the day is, the Constitution was never meant to prevent people from praying. Its declared purpose was to protect their freedom to pray. Thank you.
Party is a group of people who come together to contest elections, form policies, mobilize voters to support their cause, and hold power in the government. India, in its long history of politics, has witnessed over 2,858 political parties. Let us see through a skit how India's two major parties were formed, starting with the Indian National Congress.
After the failure and suppression of 1857 revolt by British East India Company, Indians became insurgent. They began organizing protests. On the other hand, company launched many laws which agitated the people, one of which was the Vernacular Press Act. Under this, regional newspapers in local languages were banned.
इसे पढ़ सकते हो?
नहीं, मुझे सिर्फ हिंदी और बंगाली समझ आती है। मुझे इसमें कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है। हमें विरोध करना चाहिए।
हाँ, हमें विरोध करना चाहिए।
In the Arms Act of 1878, Indian people were forbidden from keeping arms.
Give this to me. You have no right to own this.
The Ilban Bill of 1884 proclaimed that in cases suspecting European people, Indian judges have to take advice from a jury consisting of 50% Europeans. This infuriated racial discrimination.
We want justice, 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 we want justice.
All of this created a perfect ground for the emergence of India's first political party, the Indian National Congress. Though there were many political associations before it, none of them worked at the national level. The founder of INC was A.O. Young, a British civil servant.
Today, on 28 December 1885, at Tej Pass Sanskrit College, Bombay, I hereby announce the formation of the Indian National Congress.
But sir, what is the need of this party?
This party has been created to weld Indians into a nation, to reach out to the people of all the faiths and alleviate the fear of all minorities. The goal here is to create a standard platform around which the political workers from various parts of the country could gather and conduct their political activities. We are here to take all the grievances and fightings for the rights that all Indians share in relation to all the rulers.
After its formation, Congress firmly held the hands of India and led to its independence. It emerged as a catch-all and secular party dominating Indian politics for the next 20 years.
In the 17 general elections since independence, it has led to an outright majority on 7 occasions and has led the ruling coalition a further 3 times, heading the Indian government for more than 54 years.
There have been 7 prime ministers, the first being the Jawaharlal Nehru,
Gulzari Lal Nanda,
Lal Bahadur Shastri,
Indira Gandhi,
Rajiv Gandhi,
P.V. Narasimha Rao,
and the most recent being the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh.
To the formation of world's largest political party and India's current ruling party, the Bharatiya Janata Party. The BJP's origin lie in the Bharatiya Jana Sangh.
Janasangh won only 3 Lok Sabha seats in the first general elections in 1952. Various young leaders such as Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Lal Krishna Advani also joined Janasangh. In 1975, PM Indira Gandhi imposed a state of emergency.
In 1977, when the emergency was withdrawn, general elections were held. The Jana Sangh merged with the parties from across the political spectrum to form Janata Party.
We need to form a new political party, a party that is not tied to any particular ideology or belief.
Yes, we should form alliance with the other party that share our wealth.
And who would these parties be?
We need to ally with Jan Sangh and other like-minded parties.
But what would we call these parties?
How about Janata Party? It is the party of the people for the people.
I like it. Janata Party it is.
Hey brother, whom you have given vote to? Of course Janata Party, because they work on uplifting the poor and focus on rural development, social justice and eradicating the poverty. They are made for us.
The Janata Party won the majority in 1977 and formed a government with Morarji Desai as Prime Minister. The former Jana Sangh contributed the largest study to the Janata Party's parliamentary contingent.
In April 1980, shortly after the elections, the National Executive Council of Janata Party banned its member from being the dual member of the party and RSS. In response, the former Jana Sangh member left to create a new political party known as Bharatiya Janata Party.
Gentlemen, we are at crossroad in Indian politics. The Congress has failed to deliver on its promises and people are hungry for change.
I believe we should build on the foundation of the Bharatiya Jana Sangh. Our core ideology should be centered around the principles of nationalism, culture, pride and economic development.
I agree with Dr. Mukherjee. We need a party that stands for strong, united India and that promotes economic growth and development for all.
I couldn't agree more, Atalji, but what about the name?
How about Bharatiya Janata Party? It's a note to our past, but it also represents a new beginning.
Then let it be so. The Bharatiya Janata Party is born.
Now, the BJP has been ruling sacred grounds of India from last 2 elections.
Now, let us take a glance at other political parties. First, CPIM.
The Communist Party of India, Marxist, abbreviated as CPI, is the Communist Party in India. It is the largest communist party in terms of membership and electoral seats. The 34 years of left front rule in West Bengal was the longest serving democratically elected communist party in the world. This party emerged after the split in the CPI in 1964.
What is CPI? Let us know.
CPI is the oldest communist party of India, which was founded in modern-day Kanpur in December 1925. Its founders include M.N. Roy, S.V. Ghate, and T. Acharya.
What about BSP?
The Bahujan Samaj Party is a national level political party in India that was founded in 1994. The party claims to be inspired by the philosophy of Gautam Buddha, B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Narayan Guru, and Sahuji Maharaj.
Now comes the Aam Aadmi Party.
Aam Aadmi Party or AAP is a political party in India which was founded in November 2012 by Arvind Kejriwal. Aam Aadmi Party was granted the status of national party on 10th April 2023. Thank you.
Seen the rise of many great political parties. Political parties in the whole political system is very important for a country, as we have seen that in time of need, people seek the help of political parties. Thank you.
The aims of arguments or of discussion should not be victory but progress. Group discussions are meant to bring something significant from the participants, not to discuss something which has no relevance with anything.
Today we will be discussing Indian political parties, their function, formation and party systems. Can anyone give us a brief history?
The Indian National Congress was the first Indian political party formed in India in 1885 during British colonial rule.
Yes, but what do you mean by political parties?
It is an organized group of people who come together and hold power in the government. It has three components: the leaders, the active members and supporters.
Thank you. Now let's move on to the need of political parties in India.
Political parties are one of the most visible institutions in a democracy. For ordinary citizens, democracy is equal to political parties. Parties represent different interests and ideologies of people. That's right, but what are the primary functions of a political party?
The primary functions of political parties is to compete for the power in the government and represent the interests of the people.
Parties also play a very crucial role in creating awareness among the people about the social, economic and political issues.
Excellent points. Now let's move on to the party systems.
Different party systems are followed in different countries. For example, in China, only one party is allowed to run and control the government, called one-party system.
In countries like USA, the power usually changes between two main parties, that is Democratic Party and Republican Party. This is called two-party system. But in India, we have multi-party system. This system allows a variety of interests and opinions to enjoy political representation.
I heard we have national parties and regional parties. What do you mean by that?
A party that secures at least 6% of total votes in Lok Sabha elections and wins at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as national party like Indian National Congress, BJP, Communist Party, etc.
A party that secures at least 6% of votes in Legislative Assembly or State Assembly with at least 2 recognized seats is known as a state party. For example, Shiromani Akali Dal, Shiv Sena, etc.
Very clear, but I heard the term manifesto and party symbols. What are these?
A manifesto is a public declaration of principles, intentions and goals of a group or individual, and it is used to inspire, mobilize people to take actions or join a cause. It means clear or evident.
The symbol which is given to a political party can serve as a visual shorthand for the party's name and values, making it easier for voters to identify different political parties.
This concept is not clear to me. Can you explain this with examples?
Indian National Congress, INC, is a centre-left party that was in power of much of India's post-independent history. Its symbol is a hand and its manifesto focuses on social justice, economic growth and secularism.
I would also like to include symbols and manifesto of current ruling party, Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, which is a right-wing party that has been in power since 2014. Its symbol is a lotus flower and its manifesto includes the promises to strengthen national security, promote economic growth and support Hindu nationalism. Communist Party of India, CPI, is a left-wing party that believes in socialism and communism. Its symbol is a sickle and a hammer and its manifesto includes promises to improve healthcare and education, promote land reform and support workers' rights.
Can common people do something in this system?
People can put pressure on political parties through petitions, agitations and publicity because the quality of democracy depends on public participation.
Political parties are an unavoidable part of democracy. They are the backbone of our country. They are the ones we elect to safeguard our constitution and serve us. Social economic upliftment happens through our chosen representatives.
गीता वह सुरंग है जिसके भीतर से मनुष्य एक विश्व को छोड़कर दूसरे विश्व में प्रवेश करता है। यही बताने के लिए आ रही हैं हिमांशी और जेनिफर।
आओ मिलकर मतदान करें, अपने मत का ना दान करें। कि आओ मिलकर मतदान करें, अपने मत का ना दान करें। कोई गांधी नेहरू सा ढूंढे जो भारत का सच्चा लाल बने,
जो देश का सच्चा सेवक हो, भगत सिंह सा बल भी हो। जो देश का सच्चा सेवक हो, भगत सिंह सा बल भी हो। जो जनता का मान और भी बढ़ाएगा, ऐसे शख्सों का साथ चुने। आओ मिलकर मतदान करें।
ना जीत सके कोई भारत से, कि ना जीत सके कोई भारत से, बस इतना ही वो ख्याल रखे। ना करे मतभेद, ना बदले भेष, बस देश के हालात बदले। आओ मिलकर मतदान करें, अपने मत का ना दान करें। कि आओ मिलकर मतदान करें, अपने मत का ना दान करें। धन्यवाद।
कुछ बतलाने, कुछ समझाने, कुछ सिखाने हम आए हैं। आज कुछ सोच सोच के दिखाने हम आए हैं। दिखाना है सबको, बताना है सबको। वोट है हमारा अधिकार, समझाना है सबको, समझाना है सबको।
कहाँ जा रहे हो तुम सब?
अपने मत का सही प्रयोग कर ले।
पर तुम सही उम्मीदवार कैसे पहचान लोगे?
जो देश का सच्चा सेवक हो, जनता का शुभचिंतक हो,
वादों से ना काम चलाए,
जन सेवा अपना धर्म बनाए।
उचित है, उचित है, उचित है। अरे अरे, ये क्या हो रहा है?
लगता है कोई नेताजी भाषण दे रहे हैं।
मैं आपका बेटा, भाई, दोस्त, आप मुझे एक बार मौका तो देकर देखो, मैं आपकी हालत सुधार दूंगा। हर घर नल होगा, हर घर जल होगा, पक्की सड़कें होंगी, स्कूल खुलवाऊंगा, महिलाओं की सुरक्षा बढ़वाऊंगा, बुजुर्गों को पेंशन भी दिलवाऊंगा। एक बार मौका तो दो, विकास ही विकास करवाऊंगा।
नेताजी क्या हुआ? जुबान क्यों लड़ा रहे हो? जवाब नहीं लेंगे तो वोट कैसे देंगे? क्योंकि दवा पानी भी चाहिए। मिलेगा मिलेगा, सबको सब कुछ मिलेगा। नेताजी जिंदाबाद, नेताजी जिंदाबाद।
अरे आपने इतने बड़े बड़े वायदे तो कर दिए, इन्हें पूरा कैसे करोगे?
हमें किसी से क्या मतलब, हमें तो बस सीट चाहिए।
नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा नेता नहीं चाहिए। नेता हमारा कैसा हो? गांधी नेहरू जैसा हो।
मानो सेना काम चलेगा, देश विकास की राह चलेगा।
अपना नेता खुद चुनेगा।
सही कहा, सही कहा। तो फिर भाइयों, हमारा नेता कैसा हो?
गांधी नेहरू जैसा हो, गांधी नेहरू जैसा हो।
जी हाँ, अपने अधिकार को पहचानिए।
सकारात्मक सोच वाले कर्मठ नेता को चुनिए।
देश की उन्नति का पथ प्रशस्त कीजिए।
आज भारत विश्व का सबसे बड़ा लोकतांत्रिक देश है। अतः आवश्यकता है जनता की मजबूरियों को समझने की, विकास में योगदान देने की।
तो भाइयों, देश को पार्टियों से नहीं, एकता से बांधे, विकासवादी विचारों से नाता जोड़े।
हर तरफ नई सोच और उमंग हो, मेरे सपनों का भारत ऐसा हो, मेरे सपनों का भारत ऐसा हो। धन्यवाद।
Poetry is when an emotion has found its thoughts and the thoughts has found words. Now here comes Jana and Arjuna for English poem.
Leaders and political parties, please work for the people. Please work for the people.
Selflessly, without any interest, write and communicate everything in the language of the people, in the language of the people.
Leaders and political parties, please remember, you are all for the people. You are all for the people.
And you have no existence without the vote of the people, without the vote of the people. And think never the people are fools.
Leaders and political parties, think yourself nothing and temporary.
But the people are permanent and eternal. But the people are permanent and eternal.
And the people are sovereign here. And the people are sovereign.
Das is a perpendicular expression of a horizontal desire. So now some students of our class are coming for the classical dance performance.
देखे हवा बन जाऊं इसको जरा देखे हवा बन जाऊं मैं अगर दहक रहा है बन की शरारा देख मेरा बदन सब कुछ मेरा करके बना बन जाऊं मैं अगर ओम देवा देवा ओम देवा देवा नमः नमः ओम देवा देवा ओम देवा देवा नमः नमः तुझको मैंने दिया जब तूने छुआ देवा 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 नमः 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 देवा 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 नमः नमः नमः
Wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Your heart is just a beatbox for the song of your life. So here come Chitanshu and Harshvardhan for a beatbox performance.
इंसान ही इंसान को मानता नहीं, इंसान ही इंसान को पहचानता नहीं, इंसान ही इंसान को मानता नहीं, इंसान ही इंसान को पहचानता नहीं। पहचान ले ये एक नन्ही सी जान है, रहती तेरे मकान में, काम करती है दुकान में, फिर क्यों इसे तुम तोड़ता है, मोड़ता है, जो चाहे वो बोलता है। बस अरे बस अरे बस 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 इसे प्यार कर, माँ की यादें ना आने दे, कर सपने सचना सामने, उड़ जा तू आसमान में, चलता रह सीना तान के, तू मस्त रह मत ध्यान दे, मत ध्यान दे। बस छोटी सी है बात, बस छोटी सी है बात जो तू जानता नहीं, इंसान ही इंसान को पहचानता नहीं। बस छोटी सी है बात जो तू जानता नहीं, इंसान ही इंसान को पहचानता नहीं। Thank you.
Music is a means of giving form to our inner feelings without attaching any events or thoughts in the world. So now Isha and Gursimran are coming for the English song.
Smooth like butter, criminal undercover, pop like rubber, taking into your heart like that. Cool shade stunner, yeah, overjoyed to my mother, hot like summer, yeah, making you sleep like that. Break it down. Oh, when I look in the mirror, I let your heart take the food. I got the superstar look, so cause I am in the stars tonight. So what we bring the fire, set the night alight. Shoes on, get to make a on, government says rock and roll. Kick on, hit the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone, yeah. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the level room. Ding dong, call me on my phone, I see and a game of ping pong. This is getting heavy, can you hear the bass boom? I'm ready, woohoo, life is sweet as honey, yeah, this beating like money. Disco overload, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm diamond, you know I love. Hey, so let's go, cause I am in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Side step right left to my beat. Side step right left to my beat. Get it, on.
We dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for madness, we dance for fears, we dance for hopes, we dance for screams. We are the dancers, we create the dreams. Now some students of our class are coming for a group dance performance.
Should see this dream come true. Let's work for this goal, me and you. This is the India of our dreams. This is the India of our dreams.
Students, it's bedtime. Please go to your beds.
सातों समुंदर पर बिछा है ये गुलजार दिल चंगा दिल चंगा दिल चंगा गिरना चंगा चंगा दिल चंगा दिल चंगा अरे चंगा 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 गिरना चंगा चंगा कर डाला ये संसार अरे चक्कर जाम हुआ है सारे राहोकार एक मंजिल पाने को निकला है ये संसार इंसान बन गया दो पल का इश्तिहार करे संसद से ज्यादा बढ़ गया है ये बिहार जग चंगा जग चंगा जग चंगा जगला चंगा चंगा जग चंगा जग चंगा अरे चंगा अरे चंगा अरे चंगा 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 कर डाला ये संसार ओ डाउन चार